Tell him to go driver.
Dude, you're on the perfect line right there.
Tell him when he comes up, he needs to go driver.
Come up, go driver, Harrison. When you come up, go driver.
Yeah, he walked himself under that.
Wrong. No. No. I don't like that. Thank you.
That's exactly what you needed to do. It's not that hard, though.
Yeah!
When it starts tipping, go driver.
You gotta get up on that little small rock and follow your right.
Dick? Hey, Harrison. What? I'm doing a good job.
Don't hit it so hard. So far, it doesn't feel like it.
But it looks sweet.
Don't hit it so hard. Call it. First gear, low.
These are the best pictures I've ever had of your truck.
It's what?
The best pictures I've ever had of your truck.
Because he's finally doing
It was pretty vintage when both front
Well, I know,
tires,
I've got the
Harrison.
rear tire 3 feet off the ground, the front tire 3 feet off the ground. So. What?
Oh,
Fuck that door.
it's nice.
It looks better than when you rolled it on me.
Hey, Justin, you tell him what to do. You don't like listening, man. Stop. Right now. You listen to Justin and look what happens. You listen to me and nothing happened.
Hey, in my defense, you still have 3 tires on the ground. How's it look?
like that
I'm still not even touching the goddamn cab.
Close. Back her up.
Hold on. Gotta get pictures.
Taking a little break.
Okay.
It looks like you're.
Is your boxers turned into a thong yet?
Really?
Yeah.
You hit it hard enough, you would have spun around on your right rear and turned and came back out this way.
Pretty much.
All right, let's go.
Honestly, I don't have an answer for it.
What am I doing?
Back up.
I say back up a little.
Turn.
Sure.
Passenger and back up. Hey, 3rd gear. High.
There you go.
How's your oil pressure?
Certainly better than a fuel pressure.
I probably have no fuel sending to it because it sends off the front of the tank.
Probably just got a gas tank.
Can I back up anymore and just start fresh?
No, just
No, you want to keep that right there.
I don't think I'm going to be able to get fuel to it. I'm saying if I get flat, I can put the 5 gallons in it.
Oh. Yeah.
Are you gonna back up?
I just want to be able to put the fuel in it. I don't think it's getting any fuel now.
Just don't go in the hole.
Yeah, this right rear needs to come over. Maybe on this rock with the right rear.
So I need to get my driver. I need to get off this rock then.
Yeah. So basically, I'll show you in a second. high on the line. You need to get the rear tire in the little rock right here. So you're this way, instead of this way. The front rear tire's got to get on that rock.
And my carburetor runs better than that thing.